Good morning. How are you on this Thursday morning? Can you find your morning work for today? Remember, on Thursdays we practice our handwriting, right? We practice our writing our letter of the week. So this week it's letter K. All right, so see if you can find your letter K page that looks like this in your packet. Okay, I'm going to show you up here on my sheet, on my big sheet up here, okay? So letter K, remember, we always start on the top line. See this top thick blue line? Mine's blue, yours is just a dark black line. And there's a dotted line in the middle, and then there's another solid line at the bottom, okay? We're gonna make our letters inside those two dark bold lines, okay? So I'm gonna start at the top, and I'm gonna slide my pencil down to the bottom line, okay? Then I'm gonna go back up to the top and over a little bit from the line I made, and I'm gonna slant down, and then I'm gonna slant across like that, okay? So straight line down, back up at the top, slide, slant back, and slant down, okay? So I want you to make your letter K's. You can trace the ones that they have there for you. The first line, you're just tracing them, getting a feel for how you make a letter K, how you write it. Okay, so you're gonna do that first whole row, and then you're gonna skip down and do the next whole row. That one, they just have a few like dotted lines for you to trace, and then you have to write your own, okay? So we're gonna go through and practice making our K's. Straight line down, slant across. Straight line down, slant across. Straight line down, slant in and across. Slant and slant. Okay, so you're gonna fill those first two lines with your K's. Then remember what I always like you to do. I like you to go back and pick your very best one. So which one touched both the top line and the bottom line? I actually think the very first one I made was the very best one I made. So I'm gonna circle it. Okay, so that's uppercase K's. Now remember, I want you to be using, I'm using a whiteboard marker because I'm writing on a whiteboard. I want you to be using your pencils, okay? So then we're gonna do the lowercase one. The lowercase is super similar to the uppercase. It's just a little bit smaller in the slanted line. Okay, so we still start at the top line, slide down to the bottom. Okay, then instead of going all the way back up to that top line, we're gonna go just shortly above the dotted line to do our slant in and slant back. Okay, so same straight line down, same as uppercase, and then just go a little bit above your dotted line to make your slants. Okay, just halfway between the slanted line and the straight line. Oops, that wasn't right. Sometimes we make mistakes. That's why we have erasers, right? That's why we use a pencil, so we can go and erase it. Okay, so trace the ones they have made for you, and then you go down to that bottom line and you make your own. Okay, straight line, slant, slant. Straight line, slant in, slant down. Straight line, slant in, slant down. Okay, then I'm gonna go back and look for my very best one. I think this one is my best one, so I'm gonna circle the best one I wrote. Okay, so that's your morning work. Make sure you put your name at the top, right? Mrs. Griffin. It's good to practice our name, even though we're at home and you're not gonna get it mixed up with someone else's. It's still a good thing to practice writing your name. Okay, we all still need practice. If you can write your last name, you go and do that too, okay? So let's finish that up. I'm gonna just move you over here and we'll get going with our calendar for today. Move this like this and just slant it down just a bit. That should be pretty good. There we go. Okay, I already told you, but it's Thursday today, right? Already Thursday. And it's December. December what? Oh, it's December, what number is that? It's December 10th, yes. And what is on our calendar piece today? Did you say sheep? I hope you said sheep because you would be right. Remember, our pattern is 3 kings, sheep, angel, baby Jesus. 3 kings, sheep, angel, baby Jesus. 3 kings, sheep. What do you think tomorrow would be? Did you say angel? I think you might be right, but we'll have to wait and see, okay? All right, so today is Thursday. What does that make yesterday? Do you remember? Sunday, Monday, cha-cha-cha. Tuesday, Wednesday, cha-cha-cha. Thursday, Friday, cha-cha-cha. Saturday, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yes. And if today is Thursday, then what comes next? What's tomorrow? Friday. Very good. Okay, Friday. Can we get Friday to stick? There we go. Okay, let's count how many days we've been in school, right? We have 5 bundles of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 days of school. 51, 52, 53, 54. 54 days of school already. Wowza. That's a lot. All right, I'm going to tilt you up here. Can you see our new tens frame? Here, maybe move it over just a little bit. Sorry. I'm a little off today. There. All right, so we've got our 5 groups of 10, and now I'm going to add one more for today. So that's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so I have 4 dots in this 10 frame. How many more do we need? Well, we know that half of the tens frame is 5, right? So we need one more here to get to 5, and then how many more to get to 10? 5 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 more days to fill in that tens frame. And then we'll have 60 days of school. 6 plus 4 is 10. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we have been in school for that many days of school. That is just crazy. All right, how would you address sunny today? What's the weather like by you? What words would you use to describe the weather? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Is it windy? When I look outside right now, it's cloudy and it's cold. I hope the sun will come back out. What's the weather like by you? Whatever the weather is, I hope you get to get outside for a little bit, because it's always good to get outside and spend some time getting some fresh air. Even if it's just for 10 minutes, it's good to just get out of the house, especially when we've been inside for so many days, right? We've been not going to school, not going anywhere for a while, so it's good to get some fresh air, change of scenery. Okay, that sounds really good. Hey, I have a question for you. Are you ready to get up and move your body? Because you did a lot of handwriting this morning and you've done a lot of sitting and listening. So I think now would be a good time for you to get up and take a dance break. Watch one of our favorite dance videos. Show mom and dad one of your favorite ones, okay? Maybe the floss dance. That sounds like a good one for today. Why don't you go do the floss dance, and I'll meet you back here in a little bit and we'll read some books. Talk about the letter K, right? K says kick. So we're gonna get ready to do that, all right? So move your body for a little bit and meet me back here, okay? I'll see you in a bit.